Slowly but surely.
Made it. Right. Stuff is loading. Very slowly.
Yeah.
Wow. I struggled. Oh my
Oh, why
lord.
you open inventory? Doesn't make it go slower.
I know, but I mean, might as well get it done now when we're versus when we're in like a serious area.
And you shouldn't need to open it in a serious situation.
What if
The
I
hotkeys are for.
do? What if I
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how many arrows I got? I got 12 arrows.
I got none.
I have sticks I can give you, but
I'm gonna take those.
how many arrows did I say I had?
12 or something.
Beautiful. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. No problem. Okay, well I'm gonna get some water while I wait for you.
Not sticks.
Would you like some sticks?
I would love some sticks.
Well, okay, come back. I can't give you sticks if you're.
I'm telling them to maintain base while we're gone. They don't know what that means, but. Watch out! You heard our lady!
Oh, hey!
Okay.
Worked well. Oh, Calvin's on fire. Oh, Calvin's down. Calvin gets hurt, apparently. Oh, okay. I don't need to tell him anything right. Oh, he's on fire again.
I'm working on it.
Oh, I was one hit away from death. Revive me. I thought I had more
Trying to
health.
save Calvin.
Yeah, save him first.
I did 3 times.
Ooh, Virginia's shooting people. Okay. He's gonna die again. Yep. Oh no. Lovely. Okay, that went horribly. Good job, Haley. There was no help there.
I wasn't any help either. I was just over here trying to get Calvin back up. Look at all these bones we're doing. Oh, he's collecting sticks. Did you tell him to do so?
No, he's maintaining base. So I think that means he's going to...
Build. Cool. And when we get back, she'll be done. Have you seen the area yet, by the way?
What area?
Over here. I'll put shelves next to it so you can put the herb there that grows.
Oh! I like the little bunny hutch.
I want to add some more, but I need to know where, like, I don't know what to add yet, so I'm gonna wait.
I think I'm putting a door right here.
Sounds good to me. This area's bugging me.
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, sticks.
Please?
Can I not give you sticks? I can't give you sticks. I'll just give
That's
you...
stupid. You should be able to drop them. Never mind. What was it doing? Oh, I need to eat.
There you go. I gave you 8 arrows.
Preach. I need to make some water.
Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna boil some water.
I thought I had a little fireplace somewhere. There it is. What?
I'm trying to chop this guy's head off, and he just slowly looked over at me.
He's like the audacity. Oh, that's why I haven't added yet the birdhouse. Birdhouse is really useful. I think, anyways.
Yeah, it gives
Oh,
you feathers, right?
Yeah.
Maybe it gives you eggs, cause I don't know where else we'd get
I've
eggs
never
from.
gotten eggs from it. give you eggs.
Trying to figure out how I want my layout for items.
Maybe it's one of the. I wonder what this cross does. Is my question.
Across.
The cross blueprint we got.
Oh, I know it's a light source.
I might look it up actually. So it'd be nice to know if it's useful or not.
Haley, your fire burned out.
Of course it did.
Well, you need to add leaves to it. Because then it doesn't burn long enough.
I'm on fire.
Oh wait, God, I didn't want to do that.
I got water real quick. Make some medicine real quick. What does aerial leaf do? Oh, it's energy mix. Boop, boop, boop.
So I'm not gonna take your water, but I'm gonna test and see if it like says fill canteen. This is how you fill your canteen.
I don't have one. Excuse me.
You can drink it right out of the boiling water.
Yep.
That's crazy. But oh, I can't. Sweet. Oh, I didn't mean to pour. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna fill my water one more time. Oh my god, Calvin's dead.
Calvin, he was huge.
Yeah,
This
he
guy.
is big. He's not even phased.
No, he's not. I'm just gonna.
Those are my arrows?
not.
Oh, he's dead. I think he's
Here, Calvin.
true. Calvin is still down, maybe. Oh, that's a lot of blood, Calvin. Oh, but he's fine. That dude took a lot of arrows.
Probably would take it more if I didn't bash his head.
Eventually, whenever we have like a lot of health, I do want to get kicked by one of them 5 times.
I mean, start to get me some more planners and I'll work on it.
No, I need armor. Because it
Armor.
won't... No, it needs to be something that will protect.
Oh, you're helping. I don't know. Thank you.
But yeah, I didn't know what you were doing.
I'm just
Kinda.
waiting for you, so I'm just grabbing rocks. Might as well do some while I'm waiting for your.
Okay.
Cool.
This is clean. Shall we head towards that residential bunker?
Yeah, let's go. Fireplace is done. Our fish thing's almost done as well.
I don't know where the residential bunker.
Here, let me look. 'Cause I think it's the food one.
No, we've been to that one.
Exactly, it should be the. Huh. Does everybody check notes? Not notes, but might be on notes.
A residential bunker. So we can't see it because it's like on the completely other side of this
It's supposed to
mountain.
be past the food bunker.
No, it's not. It's on
not?
it's on the completely other side of the
Alright.
Like,
Oh, yeah, I guess you should
completely
there.
other side. So we'd have to just head east, basically. Little east, a little southeast. Go
Okay.
over that mountain up there in the distance. That way. See that mountain? We have to get past that.
This will be fun.
Shall we?
Alright, let's go. I need to take some health, actually. Hold on.
I need armor.
Do you need health? I have 1 extra health mix.
No, I'm good. Okay, good luck, Calvin. Bye.
You see Olivera, Euro? Let me know.
We want to stop by this camp up here? People up?
Sure.
There's nobody up
can't
here.
get up.
Oh no, there is.
But it's in my trophy.
See one person. Did it? Never mind.
I've already been up here. There he is. I'm just gonna come in.
Oh.
I'm not wasting my arrows. Oh, some cereal. I missed. Eh. Oh, there's a little room ball or whatever they're called.
Roomba?
Yeah. Some money.
Oh, one of these? Oh no, the one wheel things? That thing?
Yeah. Just gonna do that. I'm really good at some cloth.
Why do they put rocks on all these guys' heads?
Can I break this?
We're gonna have a grand old time here.
Who is?
They were.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's another guy. Got him.
Never even got to shoot at it.
I don't know what happened to my other arrow. Never mind. My other arrow bounced off of him.
Alright, let's go.
Got a ways to go. Like straight might be
Yep.
this place.
And Calvin stay behind, cool.
Yeah, you told him to maintain base, right?
Yeah. It's cool that he's built overgone.
We did forget to break one of our previous like air quote bases. Just the place that we saw on the
Nice,
map.
fine. Yeah, it's fine.
I think you live tall.
Yeah, a little bit.
Don't forget to collect.
I am. And rocks, because they're going to be hard to get later on.
You have a shovel.
Oh, that's right.
Why are there no sticks up here?
I'm getting plenty of sticks. I'm not
I'm
even sure.
finding no.
Oh, incredible. Oh, there's 2 of them. Hello. Can I have my arrows back, please, and thank you. Where'd your friend go? Thank you.
Okay, if you open your map now, you can like barely see it.
Ooh, that's a yarrow over here,
Purple.
bro.
I haven't seen it.
They're white plants. Little white flowers. Looks the same thing as chicory, I think.
We get up this. Good, good. If you open your map, you'll be able to see it.
Now I see it. Man, this takes forever.
That's a bad berry. And then our next cave is all the way on the other side of the mountain again. Cause there'll be a lot of back and forth. Unless this leads us to another bunker that's close.
Oh, he's definitely still doing it. You can see that he's doing the stick part. That's cool.
Oh, good.
It-
What do you have that's taking 146 sticks?
I have a bunch of little things.
Let me see if I have any clothes that are...
I think I already used all my armor's clothes.
Oh, the tuxedo is warmer. That's great. Hopefully we're not in this area for too long.
Which says warmth? The middle one or the first?
First one. Pretty sure.
Whatever.
Yeah, first one is warmth. I don't know. I think the second one's comfort and the other one's waterproof.
Yeah.
Even though water doesn't really has any game.
Makes you
Maybe it
cold.
does. Water makes you cold. I've
Yeah.
never noticed cold.
I have. Cause it was winter and I went in the water, I started freezing.
I know in the first game it was always like if you the tiny bit amount of wet you start getting
Yeah. That's how it is in this one.
I don't think we're gonna go be able to climb this.
There's no path up here?
Doesn't look like it. Oh, Virginia's following us though.
Cool.
Wow, I can't see.
We're going right towards the sun. There's a cave right there.
God, oh my god.
Going sliding.
Oh,
It's all out on the map.
wow. Oh my lord. I think this is Cave D, actually. I mean, we could go here if you want.
Sure.
Let me make sure it's Cave D though before.
I'm not going down this way. Oh, that hurt.
No, it is not Cave D. It's Ice Cave.
What does that mean?
It just has a little bit of loot. Can opener, rope, canned food, vodka, and Site A/Site B drawing. We can go in. I think it's a small. Oh yeah, there's no loading screen. Hopper
That's
walk.
some- Oh, there's a hole right here. This dude's over clutching the vodka bottle.
He's like, oh, gotta die drunk.
Yeah, I'm going down the hole.
I was gonna eat some dog food. Dark.
Dark. Well, why is my flashlight not equipped?
Oh, that's what it got rid.
What?
So how do you equip your flashlight? How do you make that your...
I don't know. I just equipped it and now it's where the light is. That's all there is down here.
There should be... Here it is.
Where? I think I heard pizza.
I don't know what this means.
Mm-hmm. Alright, now go.
Lots of canned food. I'm gonna eat some food first.
I'll wait till I heat it up later.
I'm gonna eat it now.
Okay.
Because it gives you...
You go to bed soon.
Do we?
Yeah, it's getting dark.
We can
So-
sleep at that tent.
Yeah, two of them are here. Ooh, money.
That's so annoying. I pull out my light.
It is pretty annoying.
Wish you could hotkey like your...
You can hardly get anything.
Not your torch. Only weapons.
I can hotkey a rock.
It's a weapon.
I can hotkey berries. And the water.
Like, you can press
And cloth.
the number buttons for those?
Yep.
What?
And wire. And a stick.
Oh, what was I doing earlier that was making it stupid?
Oh, oh, look at the night.
Yeah, we made it.
Wait, oh.
Here, let me eat.
Oh yeah, I should probably do this. Alright, now go. Oh, the f. No! No!
That is
Go
kind of-
and maintain base!
I wonder if he thinks this is base because we slept here. I bet you that's it.
Oh, it does. God.
Well, enjoy your time here, Calvin. Come back for you.
God. Okay, I was so happy that you were doing being useful Oregon.
We got a ways to go around the mountain, bro. I mean, we'll hit Cave D on the way there.
Yeah, might as well go on. Oh, here's Beth, I think. It goes up the mountain. I would not want to climb this in real life.
No, definitely.
I'm like, no, you. Go by yourself.
It looks awful. My legs would be so tired.
To drag my up. You just see me roping trees.
Well, at least we're heading in the right direction of the bunker now.
That's good.
We will have to head up this way eventually because there's another cave that's up here.
Girl, we just gotta get the down.
Yep.
My stamina's going down.
Because you're
Oh, I need
cold.
to make me
Just make a torch.
Try to do it's this.
Just stick and cloth. Yeah, I see you shivering.
Oh, Ashley. I'm
Where did the path go?
no idea.
I don't think we're gonna be able to climb up this the rest of the way.
We can at least try. So we made a wrong turn somewhere. Cause right now we're going up, there's without a path. Maybe like right over here. Oh,
Just falling.
and I hurt myself.
I don't think this is leading
Dangerous.
to a path. Nope, it's definitely not. Definitely not leading to a path. I think our best bet. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh, I'm gonna die, Haley. Oh, I'm gonna die. Yep.
I'm coming.
Wow, I don't think you're gonna make it to me. Sliding through a rock. I don't think this. I think we just need to go around the entire.
Are you dead? I'm coming.
Oh yeah, I am.
I'm right here.
I'm about to die though.
I got
Wow,
you.
you barely got me, bro. So I think we best bet's just to go around.
I'm sure I'll die.
Yes, yes. Let me take some meds.
I need to take my health thing. No more aloe, unfortunately.
So, Cave D? Sounds good? Yeah.
Herb. It's funny just watching.
There's a hang glider over here. Ooh.
I can do
You can hang glide to Cave D.
Well, it depends if it's higher than where we are
Look,
now.
there's a site.
Ooh.
Cave D isn't higher.
Okay.
Everything cool?
Got some food.
Yep.
Some batteries. I'm gonna save here. If we sleep, freaking Calvin will pop up. Got some meds. Alrighty.
Okay, so Cave D, if you look on your map, it's the one right next to a big.
The one in front of us? Or to the left?
To the left.
Okay, I see it.
There's no way I just
Coming down
did
with
that.
you.
Oh my
down
god,
with you.
no. Oh my god, it's still rolling. It won't stop rolling, Haley. Okay. How am I supposed to do that? Don't double jump? What did I do wrong?
I don't know, but I'll meet you there.
Okay, I'm coming back up. Oh my god, it was so stupid. Oh.
This is why she jumped. Like,
I don't even know what happened there. So don't double jump? How did you do it? You just ran
just
off?
jump off. You just jump off.
I double jumped like it was a Lytra.
It's not Elytra. Oh, okay, I made it.
I'll be there in a minute. Let me climb this little hill so I can not double jump off. Jump once. Got it. Got
I
it.
just jumped off the thing. It's like, wee, catch me. Just watch you jump her. I was like, okay. Oh my god, you get much wind doing that.
I double jumped.
Actually, just walk.
No, 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 no. Before. I didn't double jump
I was
this.
saying, like, just walk your ass over here.
Remember this? We were here when it was snowy last time.
Yep.
Stuff off. Wash the
Don't
shame
drown.
away.
Wash shame away. To be fair, I did like 3 times before I finally figured out how to use it.
Yeah, let me make sure. Yeah, Cave D.
Okay, let's go.
And this should have 2 artifact pieces and artifact armor. Or sorry, ancient armor.
Cool. Fancy shite. There we go, now the flashlight's working. Oh, guys, another air tank. You have to go under, it looks like. Oh, here's some stuff right here.
Yeah, it does require rebreathing. There's something over here. Why can I not smack these with my...
You fancy to go there too?
There's some cloth and a can of food.
Oh, that's a there. Or some. Alright. There's more across the water if you want to go check that out. It's the same of the same stuff.
Pressing the wrong buttons. Having to re-hotkey stuff. How we swim.
Yep, here we go.
If you find a dude in a wall, can I have him?
Girl, you've already killed like 2 of them.
I know, and they don't.
Go for it. I already have the
Register.
achievement. I don't give a Less work for me.
Oh, bad guys.
Hello. Hello, guys. Wanna come swim with us?
Well, one of them tried swimming. Oh! Almost hit me.
I'm just gonna. Yeah, about to say, can you throw a flare?
I'm leaving them in the water, so.
I would like to be able to see what's. Oh, God!
Yeah, let's lead them in the water.
Scare the shit out of me.
Oh! He jumps.
Flare, please!
Why can't you do a flare?
I guess I could.
I'm trying to lead him in the water right now.
Come here. Come give me a kiss.
Hard to jump in the water.
Yeah.
Oh! Nice.
I just need to start shooting at it.
I'll shoot him.
Oh, never mind. Oh, I thought he was running for a second. Wee, that hurt.
How many arrows did it take to take this thing?
Oh my god, I'm down. Wait, no, I'm alive. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Let me. I'm down.
Oh god, I need to run. Like guarding your body. Got you.
Oh, thank you. I'm down.
God dang it. Here, buddy.
I don't get to live.
Got you. Where'd he go?
Alright, can you guard
I
me for a
hear him.
second?
Oh! Haley,
I'm down.
there's no guarding. You just need to run, girl.
I was just trying to figure out where he was first. I didn't even go over my thing yet. Is it eating me?
No, I got you. Did I
It looks like
not?
it's eating me.
I didn't get you?
No!
I took damage for nothing.
Yeah, you did. Okay, put this bullshit. I'm going back to the water. Alright, I'm done. It's in the water right now.
Yeah, plus this creepy arm would be great.
Oh, oh!
I think it's stuck.
I think he can drown.
Doesn't seem
I
like
think
it.
he's too thick.
Does have a lot of my arrows.
Not of mine, too. It's up here right now.
I'm gonna light him on. Oh god! You was.
Just
You
get oh, get in the water. You're on fire.
Yep. You can go on the ceiling.
Die. How many arrows would it take to kill you?
Lord. Guy takes too many arrows.
Yeah, you did.
I'm in the water.
Another flare. Yeah, she's
Also, I unhotkeyed my flare like a dummy. Oh, did he die? Oh, he's dead.
Oh, finally, Jesus.
Collect your arrows from the porcupine. Great. Okay, we ready?
Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Oh. My lord. Okay, definitely gonna walk around and see if we can find.
Oh, I saw one. I want his butt. Alright, I have some creepy armor a lot that I haven't put on apparently. Well, a lot of creepy armor.
I only had 2.
Taking some mids.
Okay. Freak hotkey.
Be a good idea.
How many arrows can we get back? That's a good question.
I'm still finding them, bro.
I think that's all the arrows I have 19.
I have 20.
Wait, there's a little path back here I saw that's kind of more hidden. Oh, never mind. I should... Light over here. There's nothing.
Some things.
Go to...
Tape's always nice.
Huh?
Tape is always
Ooh.
nice.
Yeah, there's lots of stuff.
Some mids.
Batteries. Let me see if I can craft some... Explosivo. Making some explosive arrows.
You put my blanket on. It's freezing in here.
Cold? I feel good.
Yeah, I am. So actually, when I was taking a nap, I had my socks on. I'm realizing I keep my socks on when I nap, so I think I sleep better with socks on.
Oh.
I don't want to hear it. We're gonna try it tonight.
Okay. Okay. Welcome to the dark side.
I don't like the dark side, but apparently I sleep better.
Mwahaha.
Because it helps I don't have the sheets anymore that I like to rub my feet on.
Hmm.
These ones are nice too, but they're not like the... Oh, they're not my favorite. I still prefer my other ones.
Yeah. But this way we can actually have...
Yeah, I can do this one. I like it still.
This one's for aesthetics now.
Yeah, I'm putting the other ones on when you leave.
Have 4 to 6 months to yourself, so have fun.
Exactly. My nice sheets. Oh, shit, I almost jumped in there. Watch out.
That's fine.
Are you going down there? You ready?
Oh, never mind. I wasn't ready. Go to the left. Did you come my way?
Yes.
Dang it, there's a way to the left. It's okay.
I told you, be careful!
Or did it look like a slidey thing? It's fine. We'll have to go back up there. Okay, well, here, guys, or air tank.
Yep, which I'm full on them, so. More resin. We have plenty of resin.
And some buckshot.
More worshippers over here.
Let me make some more pops.
No, is there?
Mm-hmm. Shockingly, don't have a lot of cloth.
I have a lot. Do you need some?
No, I don't need any, but I just don't have as much as I did in the first game.
That's what I say. What the f is that sound? It was Naga.
Crashing yourself.
I ain't not cooking. Go.
Well, I wish we went to the left because I bet there's something over.
I told you be careful.
Yeah, my bad.
I wonder what the religion's about.
I don't know.
The season they're worshiping the sun
Yeah,
or something.
definitely looks.
Which there's actually a religion that does that.
A sun god. It's kind of similar in Tomb Raider as well. There was a. They worshipped like the Sun Queen. She was evil
Yeah.
and whatnot. What? She was.
They worship someone they know is evil.
Well, I didn't know. I don't know if they knew she was like evil, but she's like all
Okay.
powerful and like controlled the. Over there.
Necessarily mean evil,
They're
though.
like her samurai people.
It's just-
They wanted
it's more
to
like a
take over the world.
dictatorship.
Kind of. I don't remember a whole lot. It's been a long. Well, there's guys to our left that were waking up.
And or front.
I'm gonna throw a flare then.
That'd be nice. They're coming. They're coming. They're coming. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw
I
it.
can
throw it,
only
throw it,
be
throw it, throw it,
so
throw it, throw it.
fast. I can only be so fast. Okay, 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 okay. Remember, when they go down, they're not actually dead. Shoot them
I
again.
know. I know. Are you dead? Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. Can't see anything. Need to throw another.
Stop moving. My arrow back.
Why does this dude glow?
Oh, no. I think this is one of the demons. No, it's not. Maybe? I don't know. Die! Out!
I think I just shot you with an arrow.
You might have, Jesus.
Oh my god, this guy has
Die!
full of arrows.
The porcupine!
Definitely shot him a lot in the head. Just not dying. He's still up. Oh
There we
my
go,
god.
Jesus. Oh, creeper armor trip. Ready?
Oh, he has creep. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. I gotta remember, I have explosive arrows that are gonna go into effect
hold
if
it
I
up,
run out
please.
of normal arrows.
Yeah, watch your arrows.
Oh, he has 2. Dang, he has 2 creepy armor. Yes, well, he was strong. He was strong, bro. How many arrows you got?
Give me some more. I don't know.
I'm missing 4 arrows.
I have 17. Missing 3. I can make some more.
Oh no, it's no big deal. I can make more. I'll make some more. It's a big cave. Anything
Zipline.
over there?
The zipline rope is in vodka. But...
No zipline rope? Okay.
Oh, here's a guy.
Oh, shotgun! Ammo.
Oh, was there? I've already parked. I kind of just click E and...
Not look at it.
It's me.
Like, ah, okay. There's another way to our right.
Well, I'm fighting this guy right now.
Need a flare or some light, maybe? Oh, there's a ancient thing here.
Right in the...
Oh, there's a dude to your left. Your light.
Where is he?
And in the dark.
There he is.
Nice!
What he did?
No.
He's not dead.
Was,
He did now.
did they
Good
take
job.
3 arrows? Look at him. Look at his head. Just
Like
arrows
me.
coming out. Well, good job.
Thank you, thank you. I've gotten better. I used to suck when we first started this.
I mean, practice makes better, right?
Apparently the correct one is, or no, not the correct one, but like what it should be is practice makes habit
Yeah.
rather than perfection.
Because it definitely doesn't. If you're practicing something and you're doing it completely wrong, guess what? You're doing it wrong.
Like
And now it's a habit.
Exactly. So I think it was my JRTC teacher said that. I can't remember. It's been so long. Can you go over? I light. There's a guy over. There was
Oh, he's
a
right
guy
here.
over.
Right here, right here, right here. Right there. Kind of blends in with the wall. Oh, he dodged it.
That was rude. You're in my way.
I ain't in your way. The rock's in your way. Oh!
There we go. That should have killed him. Yeah, there we go. Oh, my arrows! Come back!
Right here.
There's some I missed for sure.
Oh, there's another one here. Right here?
Where? Oh,
I don't know.
Alright, look. Oh, there's.
Where's our little ancient piece, bruh? Be here. Oh. Oh.
Maybe up here.
Bad guy up?
What I see? Some more shit over here. Some flares.
Right. Let me replenish my flashlight. Finding so many
It does
batteries.
automatically.
Yeah, but since we're finding so many batteries, I might as well replenish it now and grab an extra pair.
Okay.
The torch is definitely super nice all around you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a solid. Oh.
I don't remember this.
Yeah, I don't think we got both pieces. Wow, this is.
For real. It's huge in here. Oh, the big guy. I can't see because whenever I start fighting, my light goes out and it's dark.
Here, I got a flare.
Oh, that's what I was gonna get.
Over that way?
Yeah. There he is.
Let me. Yeah, I got explosive. Oh, of course he moves the second I shoot my explosive arrow. Come here, buddy.
There you go.
Okay, back up. Back up. Okay, I got one more explosive arrow with his name on it.
Come here, big dude.
He ran. He's scared,
Over
boy.
here somewhere.
Yeah, I saw him run to the left.
Unless he drowned.
No way he drew. Come on. Oh,
That was my arrows. Oh, there he is. He's come back. Over here. There he is.
back up. Okay, that's all my explosive arrows. You should be close to dead.
Hopefully. And he's gone away.
Back, he's running like a coward. Okay.
Yeah, he is. My arrows!
I don't think, yeah, we definitely didn't come to this part last time.
I don't remember this at all. Because I remember going down a slide. Oh, here's come back. Can you stay still for a second? That'd be great. Thank you.
Yeah.
There we go. The race for.
Got all my arrows. Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Perfect.
There's
Arrows around here, because I don't think I collected all mine.
a few probably around.
I only have 6, bruh.
I can give you some.
I can make some more, it's okay. I think so. Might just do that instead of flipping around. Yeah, I'm just make some more.
Man, this is huge, bro. Man, there's more over here. I bet
Is
you.
there?
Bet you we have to find a place to. Oh, those big guys over there. What am I
Fucking hope
seeing
not.
in the water? Seeing? I can't even tell what that is. Like a huge guy. Like
Where'd you go?
over
There
here.
you are. I'm like, I
Follow
can't
my
see
hand.
your name.
This guy. You see him?
Nope. I throw an explosive at him. While he's still slow.
What? Oh, I should have made more explosive arrows. Oh no. Oh
should've.
no. Okay, okay.
Ow. Find some deep water.
I don't think there is any deep water.
Oh, the coming.
Okay, well, I need to make
Nope,
some
goodbye.
explosive arrows.
That's what I use an explosive, bro. I got sticky bombs.
We do.
Yeah. Where the f is he? I hear him. Oh! Oh my god, I just walked right past him. He's coming.
Okay, well, I'm
I'll
crafting.
distract him.
Hopefully it doesn't hurt me.
I can't
Yeah, I
see.
made 8 explosive arrows. Let me throw a flare.
That'd be nice. I'm going up here. Fuck this.
Of course he jumps right when I do explosive arrow. Okay, can you come back this way?
I'm trying!
You're leading away from all my flares.
I'm just trying to survive!
Oh god.
That hurt. Yes, I'm.
Oh, I think
See
I
if I can
missed.
get my palms out.
Yep, I missed him. I've wasted 2 explosive arrows so far. I hit him? Yeah, I got him once.
Where is he?
Right here. Oh, I missed him, I think.
Watch out, I'm gonna throw him all off.
No, I missed him. Wasting so many of my explosive arrows.
Nice, dude, clip bar.
Come here, buddy. Did I miss him again? Oh my god, I've never done so bad with explosives. Oh my lord, I missed like 5 arrows.
Yeah.
About to run out of arrows. I think he's stuck.
Well, Molotovs I think are open. That didn't. I forgot to light it. Oh,
Hey, look at that.
Molotovs work.
Wonder how much creepy armor this guy gives.
3. I'm at it. I'm full of stone arrows. You can have the rest.
Let me wait.
It's over here. That's butt.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. He's big, bro. Bet he gives at least 3.
Watch, he gets like 1.
Oh, he only
it's only
gives
2.
2. Come on. Okay, how many arrows I got? 10. I got 10. Let me make some. Can't believe I wasted so many explosive arrows. Oh, lordy.
You make my Molotovs because that should be working.
Okay. Should I make more explosive arrows?
I'll make some explosives.
Oh,
while you
no,
do
I
that.
ran out of explosive. Never mind, can't make. Or explosive.
Alright, I'm gonna.
Well, he led us this way. I saw a big guy somewhere. Well, over here.
Do we really need to fight though? Come on, let's go this way.
No, but there might be something over here. We never know, bro. That is so... Oh, God. Big guy.
Here we go again.
Hey.
Where is he?
There. Right here.
Oh, he's smaller.
Yeah, he's not as big as our last guy.
Another guy behind you. Actually,
Oh, God. Great. Focus on this big guy first. I don't have to deal with 2 monsters.
Ow. Ah,
Ready?
why are you targeting me? I'm the most threat. That's right. I'm the threat. Oh!
Hey, there we go. Oh, he's not dead.
Nope.
It was a lie.
Trick. I'm out of arrows.
Could be close, bro. Yeah, I'm out of arrows too. Come here.
Come on.
Wish I had my spears hotkeyed.
Oh, he's down.
Yep.
I think I know.
Yep, trying to get arrows. If you hit him in the head area, he kind of like pauses.
Yeah. I try to, bro. But I miss sometimes.
Arrows.
And he dodged it. It.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Race for the arrows. Who can press E faster? Okay.
For real. Hold on. You can see that.
This guy
Double
first.
check his body. Yeah. 3.
2, 1, go.
Oh, I missed it. Oh, no, I didn't. Click. Got it.
Barely, bro. Barely.
I think he like accidentally pushed me out of the way last second. I'm like,
Got a spear here.
alright, 3.
1, go. How many arrows did we lose in that encounter? Let's find out.
Around a little bit because I know there's something that I missed.
I have 10 arrows left. 18, I think. Well, let's go this way still.
I'll just look for my arrows real quick. Because I have... How many arrows do I have?
I would hope we had this place cleared
I have
out.
20. I'm
Oh
good.
my god, there's another guy over here.
Really?
I don't think he's a big guy, though. Can't really tell.
Where?
Right here? Oh, he's
Oh.
a big guy. I feel like that means there has to be something good.
You'd hope so.
Ow! Died fast. Yeah, all those arrows are. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. There has to be something good over here, right? With all the big guys that are in this cave.
Bro.
All you found is rope?
Yeah.
Come on. It can't only be rope. There's more like ancient stuff here.
We might be swimming. Yeah. What? Don't we have a rope gun?
I don't think we can get up there. That's like a slide thing.
I don't know. It doesn't look like it. Oh, it might be actually where we came from.
I don't think we came from here, right? We didn't. Did we slide into water?
I don't remember.
I don't remember this waterfall. I can't remember. Did we really just come back from the way we came? I think that was how we... Did we really? No
It
way.
had to be.
Why is there bad guys there now?
Maybe we just missed one around them or something.
I'll make more arrows. I'm running out of my tiny stones though.
Now here's a way we haven't been. It's boarded up.
But I just got lost. Okay.